Hello, it's me. Very nice cables, although I haven't looked at them yet because I haven't opened it up yet, and I can't figure out how to open it up without ripping apart the whole thing. It looks like it should slide out easily, but this thing seems to be getting in the way, so I will try to open it up this way. Or no, let's go down here and try this. Okay, we'll do it this way. See what this looks like. It shouldn't be this difficult to get in. Okay, there we are. There's some tape on the bottom, and then we open it up, and oh, how about that? Very nice cables. Very nicely, nice little gift set kind of looking thing here. And as far as how good these sound, you'll have to read the review.